Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the Wi-Fi camera turning off issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So just click on hot side power button and click on restart. Again click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so reset mobile network settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset, scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi camera turning off issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.